Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure JuiceBox 40 for off-peak EV charging. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure the JuiceBox 40 for off-peak EV charging, begin by ensuring the unit is properly installed. Make sure the JuiceBox 40 is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Open the JuiceBox app on your smartphone. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate your JuiceBox device on the app's main screen. Tap on your JuiceBox to access its settings. Select the Charging Schedule option from the menu. You will see options for setting charging times. Choose the Off-Peak Charging option. Review your local utility's off-peak hours. Input the start and end times for these off-peak hours into the app. If your utility offers different rates on different days, make sure to adjust for each day accordingly. After entering the time settings, save your changes. You can also set a maximum charge limit if desired. Return to the main menu to confirm the changes have been applied. To ensure proper operation, check the LED indicator on the JuiceBox. Make sure it matches the settings you applied in the app. Now your JuiceBox 40 is configured for off-peak EV charging. Monitor the charging sessions to confirm that it operates during the designated off-peak hours. Enjoy your efficient and cost-effective electric vehicle charging experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.